I'm Chris Bennett, Chief Learning Officer at Blockchain Training Alliance. And if you're looking at this course, you're probably interested in learning more about building great Ethereum solutions. Ethereum is currently the world's second largest blockchain platform, second only to Bitcoin. And in many ways, Ethereum really is the next iteration or generation of Bitcoin. If you want to learn the basics of blockchain, what it is, how it works, how Ethereum fits into the picture, what makes it different from other platforms, and the types of great solutions you can build with it, this is the course for you. Best of all, after you become an Ethereum expert, you'll get hands-on in a series of labs where you learn to build great Ethereum solutions. Now, because this is a developer course, we do ask that students are comfortable writing code and comfortable with languages like C# or JavaScript. Now, that doesn't mean that you have to be a full-time developer or some sort of technical rock star. You just need to be someone who's not intimidated writing a little bit of code. If this sounds like a good fit for you, what are you waiting for? Sign up. The best part is, at the end of this course, you will have the option to take our certification exam and become a certified Ethereum developer. This is a great way for you to demonstrate your knowledge, expertise, and competence in building Ethereum solutions. And it can be a great first step to starting a career in the Ethereum world. I hope to see you in class sometime soon.